Get ready. Start. A case has come to the notice of government in which there was an embezzlement of government money by a cashier who failed to deposit the amount into the bank. Full stop. In order to obviate loss of public money as a result of embezzlement, the question of obtaining adequate securities both in the form of cash and property from persons entrusted with the duties of handling cash, remitting receipts daily to the bank immediately after collection, and carrying out verification of all such remittances by the higher authorities with a full sense of responsibility has been under consideration of government for some time past. Full stop. Next para. It is observed that in most of the departments, securities are obtained in one of the forms mentioned in Rule 3 of the Punjab Treasury and subsidiary treasury rules, or sometimes partly in one form and partly in another. Full stop. The departments, however, do not generally favor the pledging of property as security from government employees entrusted with cashier's duties, as in the case of property, the work of verifying the legal title of the pledger and ascertaining whether it is free from any mortgage or other prior encumbrances entails avoidable labor and sometimes even leads to legal complications. Full stop. Moreover, it unduly restricts selection of the suitable persons for cash work if the tendering of security in any particular form, for example, partly cash and partly property, is made compulsory in every case. Full stop. It had accordingly been decided that the actual form in which security is to be held be left to the discretion and responsibility of the department concerned, but they must ensure that sufficient and easily realizable security is insisted upon to cover losses of public money due to fraud or embezzlement. Full stop. It is, however, presumed that the procedure as laid down in the financial rules with regard to remittances in the bank are being observed by the departments, and in cases where the amount of collection is small, they are being paid into the bank weekly or at suitable periodical intervals. Full stop. This would help in separating the functions without any extra cost or administrative inconvenience. Full stop. Next para. In view of the importance of the matter, it is requested that the procedure laid down in para 2 above may kindly be brought to the notice of all government employees concerned and all subordinate officers under your kind control for strict compliance in future. Stop.